Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have the second part of volume and surface area. What is that? In the first part you have learned about cubes and cuboids, how to find the volume and surface area of cubes and cuboids you have learned. And today we are going to learn about cylinder, how to find the volume of a cylinder and how to find the surface area of a cylinder. First of all, what is a cylinder? Let us learn. What is a cylinder? Let me give you few examples of cylinders. When we say cylinder, at once it comes to my mind gas cylinder. Chalk piece is a good example of a cylinder. Your pens, pencils, all these are good examples of cylinders. Iron rods, okay, that means they have, a cylinder has got three faces. Cylinder has got three faces, or we can say three surfaces. And bottom circular face, top also circular face. They are plane. Three faces, two plane circular faces, and other one is, this is curved face. One curved face or curved surface. So a cylinder has got three faces, circular plane face, this is circular plane face, and this is curved face. Okay? So generally we draw the cylinder like this. Okay? A cylinder is drawn like this. This is circle in the figure we have to draw this way. When this is the radius of the cylinder R, generally we take as R, and this is the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Okay? Radius of the base of the circle is itself is said to be the radius of the cylinder, and the total length of the cylinder is to be taken as height of the cylinder. Now, let me explain you how to find the volume of a cylinder. Before explaining you how to find the volume of a cylinder for any regular solid, when I say regular solid, try to understand that from the bottom to top, same shape. If a solid has got same shape throughout, such solids volume can be found out by multiplying the height of the solid by area of the base. Area of the base by height of the solid. Whatever may be the area. Take the example of cuboid. Already you have learned that a volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. But we know that in a cuboid, area of the base is length into breadth. And so area of the base is length into breadth into height became volume. Then in case of cylinder, area of the base, here base is a circle, area of the circle is pi r square and height h. When we do that, we get the volume of a cylinder. So cylinder volume is equal to, before giving you, let me write area of base into height. Here area of base is pi r square, height. So volume is equal to, I have taken for volume pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. Then, how to find the curved surface area of the cylinder? Same way, how I said, if it is a regular solid, area of the base into height gives you volume of the cylinder. In order to get the curved surface area, perimeter of the base into height. Here in this case, cylinder, the base is a circle. Perimeter of the circle means circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r into h gives us curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to perimeter of base into height. I could have given directly, but for your better understanding, I am writing this. Here base is the circle, so perimeter of the base means circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi RH. In short, let me write curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. And pi value, always you take pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. But always you take 22 by 7 unless it is specified. If it is specified or mentioned, take pi equal to 3.14 you have to take. Otherwise, always you take the value of pi as 22 by 7. Now, let me explain you how to find the total surface area of a cylinder. So, total surface area, already I have explained you, a cylinder has got 3 faces. To bottom circular face, top circular face, and also curved face. Sum of all these areas gives you total surface area of a cylinder. For this we can say simply surface area also. Whenever we say surface area, that means total surface area. If it is curved surface area, it will be mentioned. So total surface area of a cylinder is area of the base is pi r square, area of the top is pi r square. So area of base and bottom and top is 2 pi r square. Along with that, curved surface area of the cylinder, that is already you have learnt 2 pi RH. So when you take 2 pi r common into r plus h, so 2 pi r into r plus h gives you the total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, and it is needless to tell you that the common units of volume are meter cube or cm cube, and common units of area are meter square or cm square. Common always, because you are doing already, you have done for cuboid and cube. Common units of volume are meter cube or cm cube, and common units of area, that means surface area, is meter square or cm square. We may have kilometer square, millimeter square and all, but these are the common units. I hope you understood this, and if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.